I'm standing here in the area of welding, in which we do weld all of our profile bases. Just this last year, we started going to a welded eco base, and as I mentioned earlier, our Delta dryers have been our new addition to the family. Well, those Delta bases are pretty beefy. They're beefier than our legacy dryers, and they actually have two large I-beams that run through the middle of the base. With all these new changes and additions to our product line, it was necessary that we beefed up our welding department as well, and that's exactly what we did. If you look behind me, we've got two jigs here. These are first stage jigs. This is where all the beginnings of a profile base is welded, where they're tacked into place, held together, square and true to each other. Once all the parts are all tacked together, we use this newly installed bridge crane to lift the base out of the jig and over here to second stage where it's all finished welded for full welds. It was very important that we added a second jig here, especially with the addition of the Delta base, something that we didn't have to do on the fly. It's something that's part of our manufacturing process. It makes for a lot more efficient operation where we can concentrate on Delta bases on one, Eco and Legacies on the other jig. Not only that, but the addition of this overhead crane makes it a lot more safer and a lot more efficient to work and get our product up, down into the assembly line and out the door.